In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute notifications from people who haven't confirmed their email in X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is helpful if you've accidentally muted these notifications and want to start seeing them again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the full menu. Once the menu opens, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account, privacy, and notification preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. In this section, you'll find the controls for muted content, safety settings, and other account options. From there, click on Mute and Block. This area lets you control what types of accounts and interactions are muted on your profile. Now click on Muted Notifications. Here, you'll see the notification filters that are currently turned on for your account. Find the option that says, "Who haven't confirmed their email," and simply toggle it off. As soon as you do that, notifications from those accounts will no longer be muted, and they can appear in your notifications again. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications from accounts who haven't confirmed their email on X. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.